喂，开张啦！
你做的吗
你做啦。
？What the hell? It's called crisp meal for a reason.
不会，是粉条。为什么？麻辣火锅底料。lembu.
Lembu.
Your friend.
Your friend.
Your friend.
Your friend.
是菜包酱。
What did?
菜包酱。
What's this?
禁止食用，禁止热水，禁止明火。
Do not go close to the hot water lah. What's this? Oh,
诶，只是发热15分钟以上。This is the
这个是最后一个的，因为你要弄热它的面嘛。脆不脆呢
小诺吗？
啊，no no no, this is my first time also. What? Hey you.
然后 wait inside this one 啊。
喂，第一步放食材。So you're supposed to put all the
你的菜包的红糖啊。
係嘅。
Smell good 啊。哦 like preserved vegetable.
You take this off first.
No, put inside this one.
Yeah lah, you put the side first. This will be my first time eating Hai Di Lao.
A bit disappointing.
Why is so messy?
Messy first. What messy?
Not until me ah.
Ah, then
Oh lah.
the meat lah, meat also.
Yep. Except for the 粉条.
你是粉条啊。
Don't understand.
Oh, walao. Red color one.
Smells good though.
It's like this, like those Sichuan 肉 like that. Then what else?
Everything lah except for
This
the
one
粉条.
the
They say
mala. This one eh? The
should be.
also 啊。
They say what? 是个白色的. Yeah.
Everything ah.
Yup.
I whack ah.
Yup.
Okay, this one you whack really you should cry one.
Not all lah.
What the mala one?
I can't stand mala lah. Oh my god.
Okay, half. Okay,
Okay.
the rest for me.
Okay.
Then
They say 粉条最后放.
oh 粉条 on top ah.
I think because they don't want the 粉条 to get direct contact towards the heat. Maybe.
Oh, chill, like that only. Ah,
Why the 粉条 so thick one?
yeah lah, like you. Oh, okay what? Then put in the middle. Like that.
Yup. Next up.
Then
Pour in hot water.
hot ah. How much?
They didn't say.
They are pouring already.
Hold on. Okay. 再倒一点点啦. Okay. Next up. You're supposed to heat up this one first. What's this?
How to heat up?
show 以上. Oh, okay. So we just have to have direct contact to water, I guess.
Oh, that means this one pour down there is it?
Yeah, it's like a heat pad. Not hot water.
Normal water.
Yeah, just warm water.
Warm water ah.
Just normal water lah.
Like that ah.
Okay. Wow, so kiam siap on you. Pour more lah.
More. Oh, got 注水味 one. Okay.
什么意思是注水味？
你要是 stop here, maximum here.
哦。
Yeah, no, this one whack down there.
Careful, careful.
I feel like it will come out there.
What over one? What overflow one?
When he pack, this one like tak down. Correct, no?
Here, no.
研究的将260到处能发警察，这什么？常温水 ，OK。
What's happening? I took a goldfish.
I cheat a bit and then after that the water come out then I'm like, oh. What happening? Nothing happening man.
I don't know. Just pour this water away first, a little bit. Hello. Go away.
Very fun.
It's boiling.
Oh, damn.
Shit.
Okay, this is really.
You
Wow, damn cool.
Can you put this in? I'm scared.
A few moments later.
Okay.
Okay.
这一表一样。
I'm supposed to press it. Oh, okay. It's close. It's close. Okay.
Okay. Then wait how long? 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Then in the meantime, then what we do?
Watch movie.
我是餐具。
Excuse me, you're blocking the view.
What view? Your view.
Ah,
You want?
Yeah.
Wait, add egg no.
we can add egg later lah. Cook very fast one lah.
The 15 minute ma, now 15 minute ma.
Fine. Add egg lah.
15 minutes later.
Sorry, sauce.
I was trying to make it fancy. Okay.
Let's screw it up.
Nah, it's fine. Okay, ta-da! Love, do you want to take the honor to open?
No, you do it.
Why? I'm scared. It's hot.
Okay.
Oh, eh. Okay, is it very hot? Open sesame.
Ching.
What else? Very red eh?
You ah. Hong Thai. Okay. What I plan to do is to whack the whole thing down here. So
It's hot. It's hot. It's gonna burn your fingers.
then cannot, that means
Unless you use 2 spoon or forks.
don't stable enough.
Hehehe.
Stable enough.
Chi.com.
Shit. Some space. Put here first, huh?
It's gonna turn into a joke. What? Put where? Oh. Wait, another. Wait, my another 2 more fork and spoon. Teamwork makes the dream work, baby. Hot. Come.
Yeah. I don't think it's enough.
1, 2. Okay, so I don't think it's enough.
Take from the bottom.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take the cloth. Hold on.
2 very boring minutes later.
Walao.
Still boiling.
烧了 You are still boiling. Non stop one. 烧了 Okay. I'm gonna whack this here.
Careful. You have to show them the process. Yeah.
Okay, wait lah. Wow.
Oh, smells really spicy.
Smells damn good. If you ask me.
Believe it or not, this is my first time eating mala.
Serious.
Yeah.
Welcome to my life. Wait, mala means everything. So we're gonna put extra pork inside.
Let's throw this away.
Wow, 小料诶，you nice 诶。I'm gonna whack the egg also. One. Okay. This one pour liao. I think I undercooked the egg too much because inside was very cold. Took out from the fridge, but okay. Anyways, guys, 海底捞麻辣 noodle. Are you ready, love?
麻辣 noodle.
麻辣 noodle. I'll put here.
Time to eat the dinner. I want my noodle.
Is everybody happy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Goodbye, everybody. Yum yum time.